Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode of NEBO Unboxed. I'm Zach, and today I am very excited to be unboxing the High Bright 6000 by NEBO. The High Bright is a 6,000 lumen lighting fixture with 72 LEDs that screws into any standard 60-watt light bulb socket, and it was made to go in your garage, attic, closet, or utility room. You'll find all the information and instructions on the box, including a pretty crazy before and after comparison photo, but let's go ahead and take it out of the box so that we can test it for ourselves. To open the box, simply cut or peel back the tape at the top here, then pull out the piece of cardboard holding the lid on and lift the lid up. The first thing you'll find in the top compartment of the box is the instruction manual, which shows you just how easy it is to install, adjust, and turn on the light. One important thing to keep in mind when installing the light is to always adjust the panels before turning the light on. As noted by the warnings here at the bottom, the light is very bright and gets hot during use. So, like with any bright light, do not stare directly at the light or touch it while it's on. To reveal the High Bright, simply remove the cardboard piece from the top by pulling it out. Then, carefully and firmly grab onto the High Bright and pull it out of the box. Once out of the box, you can remove the High Bright from its plastic bag. The first thing you'll notice about the High Bright is the plastic cover over the socket plug, which you'll want to remove before attempting to install the light. You'll also notice the 3 tilting LED panels that can be easily adjusted to direct light wherever you need. Please note that these panels are intended to tilt up and down only. They do not rotate left or right. Alright, so in order for us to get a good look at what this thing can do, I think we need to do something that we haven't done before in an unboxing video. Leave the table. So I went ahead and took this light into our big studio so that we can see the massive amount of light this thing puts out. Okay, so here it is completely blacked out, totally dark with no lights. And now, here it is with the High Bright 6000 turned on. Wow, that thing pours out an insane amount of light. While on, it does shine continuously at 6,000 lumens of power, and it can't be dimmed. It's enough to fill the entire studio. Keep in mind that the only light that is on in this footage is the NEBO High Bright 6000. Okay, so then I thought, looking at this studio footage is great and all, but how about a more realistic and relatable setting, like perhaps a garage? So that's exactly what I did. I took the light home and installed it in my own garage, and the results were amazing. Installing it was easy, by the way. I simply removed the plastic covering from the plug on the light, unscrewed my old light bulb, and screwed in the new High Bright to replace it. Then, I just adjusted the panels to point them where I wanted, and voila! Okay, here's my garage with the light bulb the builders left me. Pretty dim, and honestly, it's been a frustration of mine for the past couple years. So here's the garage with the new NEBO High Bright 6000 installed. Absolutely amazing. And look, it really lights up all that junk I need to organize. I kind of forgot that stuff was even there. Another cool thing is that the LEDs in the High Bright are rated for a minimum of 50,000 hours. The High Bright 6000 really is the best solution to replacing your garage, attic, closet, or utility room light bulb. And to be honest, I am really thrilled that I finally have this light in my own garage. It also makes the perfect gift for anyone that has one of these. So if you're looking for a gift idea, just go for a stroll in your friend or family member's garage to see if they need a NEBO High Bright 6000. Last, I want to note that while the High Bright is IPX4 water resistant and does have a 1 meter impact resistance rating, it is not built to be placed outdoors and is strictly intended for indoor use only. But like I said, it's perfect for your garage, attic, closet, or other utility room that needs to be brightened up. Well, that's going to do it. Once again, I'm Zach. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you on the next episode of NEBO Unboxed.